Tired of letting your money sit idle while inflation eats it away? What if your savings could grow safely without investing in risky stocks or crypto? High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit are two powerful tools that smart savers are using right now. But which one is better for you? Watch till the end. This might be the smartest financial move you make this year. Both high-yield savings account and certificate of deposit are low-risk ways to grow your money. But they work very differently. In this video, we will break them down side by side and help you decide which one fits your financial goals. A high-yield savings account is just like your normal savings account, but it pays much higher interest. We're talking about 10 times more than a traditional bank. And the best part? You can withdraw your money anytime without penalties. It's perfect for emergency funds or short-term savings. Top high-yield savings account platforms include Ally Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, American Express Savings. These platforms currently offer around 4% to 5% interest per year. A certificate of deposit is a fixed-term deposit. You choose a time period like 6 months, 1 year, or longer and lock your money in. In return, you get a fixed interest rate that's usually higher than a high-yield savings account. But if you withdraw early, you will pay a penalty. It's great if you don't need that money right away. Top certificate of deposit platforms include Capital One, Synchrony Bank, Discover Bank. Which one is better for you? If you need access to your money anytime, go with a high-yield savings account. If you can lock it away and want higher returns, try a certificate of deposit. Many people use both. They keep emergency cash in a high-yield savings account and extra savings in a certificate of deposit to earn more. How to start today? 1. Visit trusted sites like NerdWallet or Bankrate. 2. Compare the top high-yield savings account and certificate of deposit. 3. Apply online. It only takes a few minutes. 4. Deposit your money and start earning. If you want a step-by-step video on how to open a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit, drop a comment below. We will make a detailed guide on your favorite platform. And if you found this video helpful, tap the like button and subscribe for more real, simple earning methods. See you in the next one.